journey. So we are back in Richmond now. I'm gonna go ahead and start off a new vlog for the day. Welcome to the channel. If y'all haven't considered subscribing already, then definitely do so, as well as liking the video. We are about to go to Dunkin'. Just came from the grocery store. I'm giving color, summertime fine. Giving rainbow goddess, period. We got the goods. Babe's new favorite drink.
1, 2, 3. To be a star, ooh, I can really dream about that. They're few and far between, you know what I mean? But I can see them shining, yeah. I can see them shining on me.
Journeys, happy Tuesday, random Tuesday. Babe and I just took a little road trippy like getaway to Williamsburg, and we came to eat. We actually wanted to go to Oceans and L, but we found out that it was closed on Tuesday. Who drives an hour away to go to a restaurant and don't look and see if it's open? We just assumed that it'll be open, but it wasn't. We did come to Bonefish Grill, so that's where we're leaving right now. About to head back to the house, run a little errand, and then I want to just relax, get boot up, cup it up. Watch a movie. I really want to let Flame see one of my favorite movies from growing up, and then we probably catch up on some shows, get a good nap, and see what the day is giving. I hope it don't give too much more, because I didn't have an ideal day. I ain't gotta do nothing else to take me a good nap. We out. Hey journeys, just wanted to come and bring y'all a quick grocery haul. So we picked up these little creamer sweeteners. Got a caramel one and a vanilla one for coffee. Peach punch, Minute Maid, this Tropicana pina colada, crab cakes, chocolate chip cookies. Gonna try these ultimate plant-based chicken nuggets for the first time by Gardein. Eggo buttermilk waffles, snow crab legs here. It's a little over 2 pounds if I'm not mistaken. Turkey bacon, cheese pizza, about 1.5 pounds of cooked shrimp, bananas, sweet potatoes, and avocado, peppers, pineapples, baby spring mix for salad, some sweet corn, kale, red onion, red lettuce, red potatoes, gold potatoes, green pepper, lime, lemon, honey buns, everything bagel, plain bagel, some water crackers, shrimp and beef noodles, biscuits, cinnamon rolls, olive oil, honey, a little coffee here, the original and garlic and herb Mrs. Dash seasonings, some kettle corn, rainbow cookies, Chips Ahoy chocolate chip cookies, eggs, cream cheese, plain, jalapeno, banana and strawberry dairy-free yogurt, vanilla dairy-free yogurt, some chips. Hey journeys, welcome back to the vlog. It's been a minute. I'm gonna try to vlog today. We are going to goat yoga, so y'all cross y'all fingers that we don't get peed or shit on, because I heard that happens. I guess it's not as cute as what was it? Was it Love Is Blind or Married at First Sight? One of them, they went to go yoga and it looked cute as hell.
It was.
What am I getting
Married
myself
at First
into?
Sight.
Married at First Sight. It's been
Yeah,
confirmed.
remember when it was? Is it Jose? Jose and
My
Yeah,
something
that
with
one.
an M. Let us know in the comment section down below if y'all watch Married at First Sight. It is a bore to me, a snore to me this season and last season. I don't know. I guess after the first two and UK, was it UK and Australia that we watched? I just don't be into the American one. I like the foreign ones. Okay, y'all, so we walking up to the farms now. I'm not exactly sure where to go per se. I don't know, but we gonna see.
Alright, we're just gonna start in this seated position. Something comfortable, whatever that looks like. Just take a nice deep breath in, reach those arms up overhead. From here, we're just gonna fold over. Don't force it, don't pull anything. Some of the goats will jump directly on you. Alright, we're gonna do that again. Stand up nice and tall, take a nice deep breath in, exhale, fold it over. I don't recommend picking this one up. He's huge. She's the biggest one in here. Alright, from here we're just gonna sit nice and tall.
Okay. Damn.
Inhale, reach those arms up overhead. Exhale, rotate to one side. It doesn't matter which side, because we're gonna go back and forth. Or inhale. Exhale.
I don't even know what to be this close.
From here, just sit up tall. Go ahead, roll the wrist around a little bit, because we're gonna hang that on your hands for a little while.
y'all, we about to do some wine tasting. We got Merlot, Pinot Grigio, Chardonnay, and Moscato. I think I'm gonna like the Moscato the best, but let's see. Oh my God, Journey. I'm gonna get some really good luck coming here lately because that dang on go peed on me. I'm gonna slow it down so that y'all can see it. And right after that, another one poops on my mat. Double for my trouble. But this was so fun. Got lots of laughs, lots of pictures, lots of videos. So I hope y'all enjoyed like that little segment or whatever. But yeah, it's a really cool day because yesterday it rained a lot, so it's not as high and humid. But this was really, really fun. So if y'all gotta go yoga in y'all area, definitely come and check it out.
Look at the food. She's got food. Go on. She's got food.
Hey, llama, llama, llama. Hey, llama, llama. Hey y'all, so I did get back to the house. It's a new day, but I don't think I came back on yesterday after we got back. But I did want to give y'all a little haul of some things that I picked up. I got these little loofahs here from Marshalls. They were like $4.99. Trying this peach version of the Amina skincare shea butter that I be wearing. Technically, it's like a bum cream, but it says you can put it on your body. So I'm gonna try it out, because I like the way peach smells and I really just love how moisturizing their products are. Y'all know my favorite one is the Mermaid Dreams, and I've tried a few others that the scents aren't coming to me right now, but everything I've tried by them is like chef's kiss. And I know everybody's hating on the Elle brand right now because the girl supposedly got cancer, but I still shop with the Elle brand because what doesn't give us cancer, right? So I got these organic cotton wipes. It's the cucumber and aloe vera. Just pick these up to kind of like wipe down with because it's sweaty times. Okay, next I got these Aromatherapy essential oils. It comes with like 14 different scents in here. I want to get like something that I can put in my space that's kind of gonna like calm me out and relax me out, and I know lavender is good for that, and I really do love using the diffuser, and I ran out of oil so I haven't been able to use it in a while, so I did go ahead and pick those up. After that, I did pick up these Humble brand deodorants. That's technically what I went for. I got one in lemongrass and sage, and then I got one in Moroccan rose. Generally it has like 4 to 5 ingredients in here. It's an all natural deodorant, and I really like the Humble brand because it just works for me. I've tried like so many different natural deodorants and they don't really work for me. So I'm happy I got a brand that works, and I like to get them from Marshalls because you can get them for like $5. I think they go for anywhere near like $10 online, maybe more. I lost my lash chapstick that I got from Self Wealth LLC. So now I'm using this Palmer's Cocoa Butter Formula. It's a dual pack, so it has a lip balm in here as well as a swivel stick. No clue what the swivel stick is for, but I just wanted some chapstick, so I got this. Hopefully it's good. It's infused with vitamin E, and it also has SPF. I was literally propping y'all up with everything that was in the bag, and the more I took it out, the more y'all went sliding. But the last thing I got is these 3D faux mink lashes. I messed up my last lashes, so I went ahead and re-up on these, and y'all know I like the ones that's like thin on the inner corners and kind of like flare out, and I love the 3D because the band is thicker and I find it easier to apply. They're 100% vegan and cruelty free, ultra lightweight, and they are from thecreamshop.com. The style is bossy. It says 3 times the volume, 3 times the length, 3 times the dimension. So I'm trying these for the first time. They were like $4. I wanted like a multi-pack with multiple on there, but I really didn't see any that I liked. All of the multi-packs they had, the band was really thin, and I just didn't want those problems. So yeah, y'all, those are all the things that I did pick up from Marshalls today. I do need to make an order today for some more rose water as well as like toothpaste and stuff, so that's probably what I'll do a little bit later. But I did want to come back in and check with y'all so we can keep the vlog going no matter what.
I can see him shining on me. Yeah. To be a star.